Hi everybody. Today I'll be talking about our experiment on the thermal denaturation of gelatin. With me is my group mates Ray and Tessa. So what is gelatin? Gelatin is an important biopolymer used to improve flexibility, consistency and structural stability. It is a translucent, odorless and flavorless substance derived from collagen, which is a natural protein in animal tissues. Therefore, it contains protein, which are important complex molecules that do a lot of work in cells. Our rationale for this experiment was to reduce food waste in Singapore by promoting responsible consumption patterns. We did so by finding out the effect of temperature on the denaturation of protein in gelatin. For our control setup, this is the procedure. And this is the procedure for our experimental setup. Now for our key findings. We found that gelatin can be used as a food preservative to reduce food waste, and that the higher the temperature of the water, the higher the rate of denaturation. Therefore, as the water temperature gets higher, kinetic energy in the molecules start increasing, causing molecules to move more rapidly. Our results are compared to a study on the effects of fruit enzyme on gelatin, where we found that the optimal temperature for thermal denaturation in gelatin was not room temperature but 80 degrees Celsius. For the limitations, the first one is that we could not maintain a standard water temperature as we used a hot plate. The second one is the inaccurate estimation of when gelatin has fully denatured. And lastly, we carried out the experiment in a lab setting where air conditioning was present. For the evaluation of our hypothesis, which is that the higher the temperature, the faster the rate of denaturation, we found that our hypothesis was partially correct. Specifically, we theorized that the rate of denaturation would gradually increase. However, there was a sharper increase from room temperature to 40 degrees Celsius and from 70 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius as compared to the steady increase we thought would happen. In conclusion, the higher the temperature, the higher the rate of denaturation. This experiment can help us to reduce food waste as gelatin can act as a food preservative. Therefore, our experiment can offer a solution to the pressing issue of food waste locally and globally. Thank you for listening.